Hello and welcome to the School of Biological Sciences. My name is Frank Schubert. I am the course leader for biology. In the next few minutes, I would like to give you an overview of the BSc Biology course in Portsmouth. The course is based in the School of Biological Sciences. The school comprises 30 academics, technical staff, a large number of postgraduate students, and more than 500 undergraduates. It features state-of-the-art facilities like a greenhouse for plant research, growth rooms for microbiology, various instruments for structural biology, a whole park of microscopes, including electron microscopes, and an outstation for marine biology research. We host two large centers: the European Xenopus Resource Center, which uses Xenopus frogs as models for biomedical research, and the Center for Enzyme Innovation, famous for its work on plastic-eating enzymes. What makes Portsmouth such an attractive place to study biology? In the Teaching Excellence Framework, a national assessment of teaching quality, Portsmouth was one of only a few universities in the southeast to receive a gold rating. Over the years, we have consistently achieved high student satisfaction rates in the National Student Survey and in surveys for first and second year students. We attribute this success to three main factors. We strive to create a supportive environment with a structured tutorial program at its core. Students meet their tutor on the first day at university and maintain the personal contact with their tutor and the other lecturers during their course. A major attraction of the biology course is its flexibility. Students can choose from a wide range of options in second and third year, so that they can tailor the course to their individual interests. A defining characteristic of our course is the tight link between teaching and research, which enables research-informed teaching throughout the course. The School of Biological Sciences is one of the most research-intense departments at Portsmouth. We do research in three large areas of biology: molecules, genes and cells, ecology and evolution, and marine sciences, with large overlaps between all of them. Equivalent to the Teaching Excellence Framework, there is a national assessment of research quality. In the last Research Excellence Framework, in 2014, 90% of our research was judged to be world-leading or internationally excellent. This result placed us among the top 20 institutions, in amongst the Russell Group. So how is the course organized? We start by laying the foundations across the main areas of biology in the first year. This is largely shared between biology and our other two undergraduate courses, biochemistry and marine biology. This allows students to change courses seamlessly after the first year. Thereafter, biology students have to make a decision which of the four streams within the course they want to pursue: cell and molecular biology, microbiology and biotechnology, ecology and environmental biology, or general biology. Throughout the course, we focus on skills development. This includes academic skills like analyzing data, designing experiments, or writing scientific texts, which are core for a science degree. It also includes the practical skills that are specific for biology, both in the laboratory and out in the field. Particularly important for the employability of our graduates are the transferable skills. Most prominent among them are oral and written communication, but also the ability to solve problems, to manage time effectively, and to work in teams. We will now have a closer look at the 3 years of the biology course. The first year marks the transition to higher education, and the personal tutor plays a key role in this process. In the first-year modules, we aim to give all our students a fundamental understanding in biology, from its molecular principles to the interactions between organisms and their environment. This prepares them for the following 2 years, irrespective of their educational background. The first year is also dedicated to developing the basic skills to work in the lab and in the field, including a residential field trip. Particularly in the frequent small group tutorials, we work on the academic skills needed for the degree course and on transferable skills, most notably communication skills. In the second year, we start moving away from textbooks towards working with recent findings from research papers. The students have to make the important decision which of the 4 streams they want to pursue. There is only one common core module, research skills in biology, and each of the 4 streams has one specific additional core module. The remaining 4 modules can be chosen freely, but the course leader and the tutor advise students on the most suitable combinations. The Community Ecology and Residential Field course module includes a week-long field trip. This module is the core module for the general biology and ecology and evolution streams. We dedicate an important part of the second year to career preparation. Tutors are discussing career options with their students, and students have to do a formal application and interview for their final year projects. At the start of the second year, we advise students on placement options, particularly the possibility of a year-long placement. The biology course is a sandwich course, which gives all our students the option to undertake a year-long placement between second and third year. Our students are eligible to apply for well-established placement schemes run by most large employers. We currently have students on placement with companies like GSK or Lonza. A sandwich placement is an excellent opportunity to gain work experience and to establish valuable contacts with major employers. The third year focuses on current research topics. The modules are closely aligned with the research expertise in the school, and they are taught by lecturers that are actively involved in the research. A large component of the final year is the research project. In its various forms, it allows students to apply their research design and analytical skills to a research question. They are working directly with an expert in the field, and in practical projects have the chance to be trained in current research techniques. The experience of the research project also enables students to practice key workplace skills like punctuality, reliability, and resilience. Employability is a major focus of the biology course. While it should be enjoyable in its own right, it also has to prepare students for the job market. In the most recent available employment statistics for our graduates, 98% of our biology graduates were in work or further studies 6 months after graduation. This is well above the sector average. Most of the graduates in work had found highly skilled employment, but around half continued their studies, seeking a postgraduate qualification. In Portsmouth, we offer our graduates a number of course options for postgraduate studies. We are running the highly popular Masters of Research in Science and Health course. About half of the students on this faculty-wide course are based in our school. We offer 2 MSc courses, in Applied Aquatic Biology and in Biotechnology. The final option are the research degrees, particularly the PhD. Our graduates find employment in 4 main sectors. Quite a large number of our graduates end up in the biotechnology industry, which includes pharmaceuticals, food or cosmetics. Here they work in research and development, but also in production, like in quality control, or in product management and sales. Another large employment area is the environmental sector, where our graduates work in environmental consultancies or in planning and management, for example in the Environment Agency. Graduates may enter the science education sector directly with the undergraduate degree as lab technicians, but many take the postgraduate qualification in teaching to qualify as science teachers. Then there is a large sector of science, administration and communication. This includes the administration of grants in the research councils or charities, and working for one of the many publishers of scientific journals or textbooks. Finally, the science degree, like the biology degree in Portsmouth, is highly valued by many employers, also outside the science sectors. This slide shows you some of the employers of our biology graduates over the last few years, which highlights the many employment opportunities for biology graduates. The list includes large biotech firms like GSK or Müller, environmental consultancies, the government, but also non-science companies like American Express. I would like to summarize some key points why you might want to choose Portsmouth to study biology. The average student satisfaction over the last 5 years was 90%. Our students like their course. The TEF Gold rating indicates the high quality of teaching in Portsmouth. The course is accredited by the Royal Society of Biology, underlining the high quality of training in biosciences that our students are getting. Actually, in the 2019 Guardian table for biosciences, Portsmouth was ranked 3rd, just behind Oxford and Cambridge. In the last ref, the high quality of research in our school placed us in the top 20 universities for research excellence in our area. Last not least, Portsmouth is a very cost-effective city for students. It was ranked in the top 10 cities in the NatWest Student Living Index 2019. Thank you very much for listening. I do hope that we see you in September. We would very much like to welcome you to the biology course at the University of Portsmouth.